In this clip, we're going to be reviewing best practices for structuring data tables within Excel. This is going to lead to easier reporting and will be easier to understand the data in this structure. So here we have a quick example where we have a salesperson, the product they're selling, and then as you can see, the quantity. So we have this spanning over 3 different columns where we have different dates as different columns. This definitely isn't the best way to be entering the data if we want to be able to report on this in the future. So I'm going to show you a better way of doing this. So I have another example with this exact same data, but just in a different structure. So we're going to be reviewing tabular form, where each row is representing a single record, and then it can contain multiple attributes for that row. So as you can see, this is all the same data. The only thing we're doing is instead of the date being 3 different columns, we're creating a column for the date. So that means we have all the data now within this one table. And this table can obviously have any date entered here. Let's say we want to do some reporting on this. If we take a look at the bad example, and we try to do some pivot tables here, you'll notice it's kind of wonky. So we can pull in our sales and our product, but as you can see, all the different quantities, if we wanted to total get a sum of this, we can't just pull in one value. We'd have to pull in each individual column representing a different date, and then from there we'd be able to add a grand total, and it's just really ugly. So on the other hand, if we have this data set up in a tabular form where it's all just this one data table, now if we go to pivot on this, so what we can do with this now is let's set up the same table. So we'll pull our salesperson down, we'll pull down our product, and then now as you can see, we can just throw in our quantity. So the nice thing about this too is now you can still report on this the same way, where you have your dates as your columns if you'd like. This is the way you want to be thinking, especially when it comes to reporting. Hope this helps. Like and subscribe.